Hello, dear children. I hope you all are keeping well at home and doing your studies regularly. Children, today we are going to do the sentences, chapter 1 of your grammar book. Children, I have many times explained you what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a meaningful sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes a meaningful sense. It always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Sentences are of different types and we are using different punctuation marks in the sentence. Let's see into your grammar book, page number 1, chapter number 1, the sentence. Page number 1, chapter number 1, the sentence. Blue is the sky. The sky is blue. When we speak, we use words. We use these words in sets or groups. Set means the sky is blue. When a group of words make complete sense, we call it a sentence. The group may contain any number of words. It may be 1, 2, 5, 7, whatever it is. If I shout run to you, you know what I mean, and therefore that one word makes complete sense and is a sentence. So also go Rama is a sentence because the two words make complete sense. Arjun speaks English is also a sentence because the three words make complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Sometimes a sentence consists of one word. Children, I hope this thing is clear to you. Suppose I am saying you sit down. It is a complete sentence. Note that the sentence always begins with a capital letter and often ends with a full stop. Children, now we will be doing exercise 1 on page number 1 only. Here few jumble words are given to us and we have to frame these words into a proper sentence which has a meaning and which is complete in itself. Question is, put these parts of a sentence in order. Write the sentence in your notebook. Children, we will be doing this in our English 1 notebooks. English 1 notebooks. First one is example for you. Your homework must do regularly. You. Words have been given in different groups and you have to arrange them in order. The answer is you must do your homework regularly. Students, first one is, first I'll read from the book. Books, the shelves, on, there are. So we have to arrange them. There are books on the shelves. There are books on the shelves. Full stop. Now it's make a meaning. Number 2 from the book only, next page. The park in the boys are playing. So we will make a meaningful sentence. The boys are playing in the park. Full stop. T will be capital. The boys are playing in the park. Full stop. Number 3. Is the dog animal a faithful? So children, try to arrange it. The dog is a faithful animal. Full stop. The dog is a faithful animal. Full stop. Number 4. Children, good eye, the truth always tell. So we'll arrange it like this. Good children always tell the truth. Good children always tell the truth. Number 5. Now I'll read the answers only. My birthday is on 16th July. My birthday is on 16th July. Full stop. Children, don't change the date here. The date will be same as written in the question. My birthday is on 16th July. Next answer is my uncle often goes to Delhi by plane. Full stop. My uncle, M capital, my uncle often goes to Delhi by plane. Number 7, I saw a snake in the garden. I capital and full stop at the end of the sentence. I saw a snake in the garden. Number 8 answer is the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east, full stop. The sun, the will be capital in the east. Number 9, we watch TV in the evening. We will be capital, W will be capital of the V. We watch TV in the evening, full stop. Number 10, last one. See this sentence very carefully. I'll read the sentence also from the book. Everest, the highest mountain in the world, is. The answer will be Everest is the highest mountain in the world, full stop. Everest is the highest mountain in the world, full stop. Children, now we will be doing exercise 2 on page number 2. And we will be doing only part A. Make a sentence about each of the following. 2 words are there in one. We have to make the sentence using both the words. First one is birds and trees. Birds and trees. So the answer is the birds are sitting on the trees. The birds are sitting on the trees. We have used both the words birds and trees. Number 2 is cats and milk. Number 2 is cats and milk. So we have to use both the words. The cats are drinking milk, full stop. The cats are drinking milk, full stop. Third one is on the next page, number 3, Tom and his dog. Tom and his dog. Answer is Tom takes care of his dog. Full stop. T capital. Tom takes care of his dog. Number 4 is bullocks and cart. Bullocks are pulling the carts. Full stop. B will be capital. Number 5, the sun and the sky. The answer will be, sorry children, the question is the sun and the sky. The sun and the sky. The answer will be the sun shines in the sky, full stop. The sun shines in the sky, full stop. Next is cows and grass. Cows and grass. The answer will be cows eats grass. Both words will carry S, cows and eats. Cows eats grass, full stop. Number 7, birds and wings. Birds and wings. Birds have wings to fly. Birds S and wings also will have S. Number 8 is bees and honey. The answer will be the bees give honey. The bees give honey. Full stop. India and independence. India and independence. Answer is India got independence on 15th August 1947. Full stop. India got independence on 15th August 1947. Full stop. Number 10, the earth and the sun. The earth and the sun. The answer will be the earth rotates, R-O-T-A-T-E-S, rotates, R-O-T-A-T-E-S, rotates around, A-R-O-U-N-D, around the sun, full stop. The earth rotates around the sun. Students, with this we have completed our exercise 1 and 2. Exercise 2 we will be doing only part A. Students, with this we have completed our the sentence chapter number 1. Thank you students.